What if I told you that store-bought almond milk might be costing you more money and giving you less nutrition at the same time? Sounds surprising, right? Today, we are diving into the best nut milk makers that can completely change your daily routine. Fresh, creamy, and fully customizable plant-based milk at home. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5, 10-in-1 Nut Milk Maker Machine, Grap Life. If you are just starting your plant-based journey, this one feels like a simple and practical choice. I like how it combines multiple kitchen tools into one device. It saves space and makes daily use easier. You can make almond milk, oat milk, and even smoothies without switching appliances. The touchscreen feels modern and easy to use. Even beginners can understand it quickly. The large capacity also makes it good for small families. I found the process smooth since it doesn't require soaking ingredients first. The texture of the milk is decent, but not the creamiest compared to premium options. Still, for this price, it does a good job. 10-in-1 functionality, smart touch display, large capacity design. It's a solid entry-level machine for anyone who wants convenience without spending too much. Number 4, Almond Cow Nut Milk Maker Machine. This one feels like a premium lifestyle product. It's simple, but very effective. I like how fast it works. You just add ingredients, press one button, and your milk is ready in seconds. The stainless steel design gives it a clean and durable feel. It also fits well in modern kitchens, especially for people who care about aesthetics. Many users in the United States prefer this because it saves time during busy mornings. The only downside is the price. It's expensive compared to others. Also, it doesn't heat milk, so you may need extra steps. One-button operation, stainless steel build, fast milk preparation. If you want speed and simplicity, this is a great option. Number 3, Archmira 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker. This one sits right in the middle between price and performance. I like its balance. It offers multiple features without being too complicated. The 8-blade system makes the texture smoother than many budget models. You can make both hot and cold drinks, which gives flexibility. The delay start feature is useful if you want fresh milk ready in the morning. The design is simple and doesn't feel too bulky. It's easy to clean, especially with the self-cleaning function. However, the capacity is slightly smaller compared to others, so it may not be ideal for larger families. 8-blade blending system, delay start option, self-cleaning feature. A great choice for everyday home use with good performance. Number 2, Lavatro 12-in-1 Nut Milk Maker. This is where things start getting powerful. I really like the large capacity. It's perfect for families or people who prepare milk in bulk. The detachable glass jar makes cleaning much easier. That's something many users struggle with, so this feature really stands out. The blending quality is also impressive. The milk comes out smooth and rich. You also get many program options, so it feels more advanced. The delay start and keep warm functions make it very convenient for daily use. The only thing is that it's slightly larger in size, so it takes more counter space. 12-in-1 programs, detachable glass jar, large family capacity. This is the best choice if you want more control and bigger batches. Number 1, Nama M1 Plant Milk Maker. This is easily the top choice on this list. It feels like a professional level machine. What I really like is how smooth and creamy the milk comes out. It feels like coffee shop quality. The technology inside this machine separates pulp in a smart way. This gives a rich texture without extra effort. You also get full control over ingredients, which is perfect if you care about health. It's very easy to use. Just add ingredients and let it do the work. No soaking is needed. The cleaning process is also simple compared to many machines. Yes, it is expensive, but the quality justifies the price. Many users in the United States prefer this for barista-style milk at home. Barista quality texture, advanced separation technology, easy cleaning system. If you want the best experience, this is the one to go for. Final verdict. If you want the best overall performance, I strongly recommend the Nama M1 Plant Milk Maker. It delivers the smoothest texture and premium quality results every time. For most people, this will feel like a long-term investment that pays off daily. If you are looking for a more budget-friendly but powerful option, the Lavatro 12-in-1 machine is a great choice. It offers large capacity and strong performance at a more reasonable price. Make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and details before making your decision.